How cool it would be if you can solve a real world problem, provide a solution, and win a prize for it. This hackathon is one of those opportunities where competitors are encouraged to use their knowledge, creativity, talents to address an issue. So let's talk about the issue. But first, what is a dApp? A decentralized application or dApp is a digital application or program that runs on a blockchain or peer-to-peer network of computers instead of a single computer. But there's a problem. dApp developers or this decentralized application developers on every blockchain are limited by the ecosystem of that particular blockchain. Developers cannot use the best feature of all blockchain systems, which is to access data and tokens from different blockchains on a single platform. Here comes Dojima into the picture. We at Dojima Network are trying to organize the unorganized Web 3.0 to simplify the user experience by bringing all chains together, synchronizing all chains and providing API connections between various chains, which makes it very simple for developers to create cross-chain applications. Dojima Network is a multi-layer architecture. It comprises two blockchains collaborating with every other blockchain in a decentralized way to obtain both liquidity and serve as a cross-chain platform for programmers to create cross-chain applications. Those two layers are Hermes layer built on top of Cosmos SDK and Tendermint, DojimaChain. Developers can deploy their applications in this intermediate layer and access the Hermes layer to connect to all chains. So here's what you have to do. Participant of the hackathon will be developing an application on top of DojimaChain. Dojima is an EVM chain, so developers will be developing the application in Solidity language. It's similar to how you deploy applications on Ethereum. Every piece of Ethereum chain development tooling is compatible with DojimaChain. To give you a kickstart, I'll try to explain few dApp kinds or DeFi projects. A DEX or a decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer marketplace that connects cryptocurrency buyers and sellers. Similar to the traditional lending service provided by banks, DeFi lending or decentralized finance lending is provided through P2P decentralized applications instead of the banks. The DeFi lending systems enable anyone to borrow and lend money, allowing cryptocurrency owners to make a sizable profit. An online marketplace is like an e-commerce site where multiple third parties provide products or services. When it comes to marketplace, you need to understand few terms like DeFi. Decentralized finance or DeFi is a blockchain-based financial service system. DeFi encourages the use of peer-to-peer or P2P transactions by eliminating the fees that banks and other financial institutions charge for using their services. NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Physical currencies and cryptocurrencies are fungible, which means they can be traded or exchanged for one another. On the other hand, NFTs can neither be replaced nor interchanged because they have unique properties. A derivative is any product or a contract that has a value, but that value is determined by an underlying asset. Asset management tools. It is a software platform that helps crypto investors and our financial professionals manage various crypto assets. Unlike traditional financial system, in DeFi, you and only you have to take care of your funds and assets. In a prediction market, investors can exchange contracts that pay out based on the results of unknown future events. The market prices can indicate what the crowd thinks the probability of the event is. A DAO or DAO means Decentralized Autonomous Organization, which is a community-led entity with no central authority. It is governed entirely by its individual members who collectively make critical decisions about the future of the project, such as technical upgrades and treasury allocations. Building decentralized financial dApps with the DeFi network of money Legos requires use of protocols, frameworks, and underlying technology. Staking is the process of locking up crypto holdings to obtain rewards or earn interest. From the customer's point of view, staking is similar to an interest saving account in a traditional bank. Using pre-programmed and automatically carried out procedures, yield aggregators pool the crypto assets of investors and invest them in a portfolio of goods and services that pay interest. Analytics is the process of identifying, analyzing, and communicating significant patterns in DeFi protocols data, as well as the process of using those patterns to help make wise decisions. Cryptocurrencies known as stablecoins have their value linked to another coin, or good, or a financial instrument. See, these are some kind of dApps. Showcase what a true techie is made of. Use your innovation, try to come up with a new kind of dApp. Dojima Network is a cross-chain platform, so all the Solidity dApps running on it could easily incorporate cross-chain functionality. Proper documentation regarding these functionalities will be made available before the hackathon. You can find videos like how to make a dApp under 20 minutes like these to get you started. I'll leave a few links in the description. More details will be updated on our social media platforms, so make sure you follow them. Right now, you need to have ideation with the prototype and you have to make a video about it. Don't worry, we will help you out with it. And here is the best part. Web 3.0 is full of opportunities. If your idea is really innovative and path-breaking, Dojima will guide you personally to launch it. You could make a startup around it. So it's just not another random hackathon, this could be life-changing. Godspeed guys, all the best.